Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Salanki and today we'll be talking about should you take a drop year for JEE or not. Please watch this video till the end as I'll be covering everyone, right from people who have not scored as per their expectations as well as those who have scored well. Oh, by the way, I got my haircut done and the sad part about it is I don't look like Bhuvan Bam anymore. Now, as the results have been declared, we can divide the students into three main categories. Those who should take a drop year, those who should take a partial drop, and those who shouldn't take a drop year at all. Let's first talk about when should you actually take a drop. For that, let's list down some of the reasons why you might not have scored well in your exams and did not get your preferred branch or even your preferred college. Did you not score well because of going blank or having fever or any other reason which might be eliminated if you give JEE again? If you do have a genuine reason for this, then you should definitely take a drop year. However, if you did not study well because of distractions like social media or anything else, then ask yourself, can you actually do away with it for the next 6 to 7 months completely and not use it at all? If you can't, then don't take a drop year because this will be a major reason for you not scoring good marks even in the next year. Now, apart from this, did you not score well because you were pressurized, maybe by your family or even by the society? If so, then again, don't take a drop year. Under such pressure, you will actually score less marks than you already have. Now that we've understood when you should take a drop year, let's talk about the pros and cons of taking a total drop. First off, January is just around the corner, so it will be very easy for you to retain everything that you've studied. Apart from this time you will only be taking a drop of 4 to 5 months rather than a full year. You won't even be facing societal pressure, which is a major cause of people not scoring well even after taking a drop. This is because many people have not given their JEE and it is well understood that giving JEE in such adverse conditions is just not feasible. So I'm definitely sure that if you take a drop year, you won't be pressurized as such. Now let's go over the cons part as well. Considering the ongoing situation, unfortunately many students could not give their JEE mains exam. As a result, all of them will be giving their exams in January, that is JEE 2021. This would mean a lot of competition for the people who are taking a drop. What I'm trying to say is that even if you manage to perform better than this year, you won't be guaranteed to have a better rank or even a better percentile next year, simply because the competition would have increased. So that's why only those who actually studied this year and are well prepared but did not score well due to some genuine reason should think of taking a drop. Also, you would be able to recollect everything because the next day is just around the corner. And for those of you who did not study well, even after JEE being delayed so much, should not even think about taking a drop this year. Just focus on getting into whatever branch or college that you are being offered. Once you are in the college, try to excel as much as possible in those 4 years. Now, one more thing about taking a drop that might have affected you a lot is that your friends will start posting about their colleges and all the fun that they are having. But luckily for you, that situation is not there anymore. Colleges have not started yet and all of those fun things and parties would not be there for a very long time. So the pressure that most of the droppers felt when they saw their friends enjoy in their respective colleges while they were stuck studying for JEE again won't be there much for this year's droppers. But in the end, always remember what you're getting into. You will be behind others by 1 year. And if you're actually motivated enough to study for JEE again and take up all those books, then only take a drop year. Otherwise, take up any branch or college that you're getting into and then focus all your energy into the next 4 years. Hold up, if you're enjoying this video, then do press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow a lot. Now let's talk about the partial droppers. First, let me tell you what I mean by taking a partial drop. You can take any college or branch that you're getting into and enroll yourself there. However, you attempt JEE next year in the hopes of getting a better college or even a better branch in the same college. I think in this COVID situation, taking a partial drop would be the most logical thing to do. The lectures are totally online now and so you have a lot of time saved. You can utilize this time to study for your JEE. Apart from this, the major factor that distracts most of the partial droppers is that they start hanging out with their friends and waste a lot of time in that. However, even if you wanted to do that now, it wouldn't be advisable, and well, everything is almost closed down right now. So all those distractions won't be there for you and you can focus on your studies. But again, you need enough motivation to pick up those books and study. It's not as easy as you might think. So ask yourself, can you study for JEE Mains again? If you said yes right away, then only think of taking a drop or a partial drop. Otherwise, please rethink your decision. Now, let's talk about the students who have scored well in their JEE. First off, congratulations to each and every one of you. The tips that I have for you is that focus on studying for the next major exams, that is JEE Advanced, and if you're giving BITSAT, then focus on that too. A major problem that I see with students who score well in JEE Mains is that they start taking things lightly. They stop studying for their exams thinking they have already secured a seat, then why should they study more? Please don't fall into this trap and don't take things so lightly. Trust me, you will have major regrets if you don't study now. Mains still gave you 2 chances, however JEE Advanced won't. So study properly, keep a cool mind, and don't think that everything is over now so you can relax. So that's it from my side, and if you like this video then do press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Do let me know in the comment section below which is the next topic that you want me to make a video about. All the best, keep studying, and I'm pretty sure that you will do well in your further exams.